Dear children, a warm welcome to all to the Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Jayapriya here from the Department of Mathematics to teach you the properties of subtraction. See children, mainly two properties in subtraction. First property says when a number is subtracted from itself, the difference is always 0. For example, 6242 minus 6242 is equal to 0. Next example, 4000 minus 4000, that is equal to 0. One more example, 9999 minus 9999 is equal to 0. Next property says when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. Okay, when 0 is subtracted from a number, the difference is the number itself. For example, 9204 minus 0, that is equal to 9204. Next one, 8888 minus 0 is equal to 8888. One more example, 6500 minus 0 is equal to 6500. Our next topic is relation between addition and subtraction. See, addition means to put together. Subtraction means to take away. That is, if you put together 2 and 3, you get 5. That means 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. But if you take away 2 from 5, you get 3. That is, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. If you take away 3 from 5, you get 2. That is, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So we can say that addition and subtraction are the opposites of each other. We can use this concept to check the answer to a subtraction problem. That is, to check the answer to a subtraction problem, add the difference to the smaller number. If you get the sum as the greater number, then your answer is correct. Otherwise, your answer will be wrong. See the example. Jack subtracted 231 from 354. His answer was 123. Is the answer correct? How we can check whether the answer is correct or not? Okay, so what was done by Jack? He subtracted 231 from 354. So we can write 354 minus 231 is equal to 123. Then we need to check whether the answer is correct or not. So in order to check, first we need to add the difference with the smaller number. So here, which is the difference? Yes, 123, and the smaller number is 231. So we can add 123 and 231. Then we get the sum as 354. So now you can see that 354 is the greater number. Therefore, the answer is correct. See children, here we have one example. 5641 minus 2020. So, first we can subtract these numbers, then we can check whether the answer is correct or not. Are you ready? Okay, let's subtract it first. See, first start from ones place. Here, the ones place digits are 1 and 0. So, 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. Then 4 minus 2. What is 4 minus 2? Yes, it is 2. Next, 6 minus 0. That is equal to 6. Then 5 minus that is equal to 3. That is when we subtract 5641 and 2020, we will get 3651. Now let's check whether our answer is correct or not. How to check? See children, this is greater number, this is smaller number and this one is difference. So to check your answer, you can add the difference with the smaller number. These two numbers you can add. Okay, so now let us add 3621 plus 2020. Here 2020 is the smaller number. Okay, 3621 is the difference and 2020 is the smaller number. When we add this number, we will get 0 plus 1, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 0 plus 6, 6 and 3 plus 2, 5. See, 5641. This is the greater number, 5641. So, when we subtract these two numbers, we get one difference and the difference will be added with the smaller number and we get the sum as the greater number. So, our answer is correct. Clear? One more example. Here, 8539 minus 3215. So, first subtract these two numbers. Okay, always start from ones place. So, 9 minus 5. What is 9 minus 5? Yes, it is 4. Then 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 2, 3 and 8 minus 3, 5. So, we get the difference as 5324. Then how to check our answer? Yes, we can add the difference with the smaller number 3215. So, now let us add 5324 plus 3215. Okay, so first add ones place digits. That is 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. Then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. And 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8539. Now we get the greater number. See, this is the greater number. So our answer is correct. Clear? Okay children, now I hope you all have understood the relation between addition and subtraction. Keep practicing more problems from your home. You can check your answers every time by using this concept. Okay, especially for your exam. Then see you again with another topic. Till then, take care. Bye.